All right, let's move on with other updates coming in now, with breaking news coming in on electoral bonds. Supreme Court poses tough questions to the government. The government defends the electoral bonds in the Supreme Court, where the poll panel says we support electoral bond scheme. The poll panel also says that the scheme can be made more transparent. The top court reserves the order on the plea seeking stay on electoral bonds. Meenakshi joining me on the phone line. Meenakshi, over to you for the details on this. It seems that the poll panel has thrown its weight behind the electoral bond scheme.
Well, yes, Afira, you see what is at stake here is that we are looking at fast-paced developments pertaining to state assembly elections approaching in several states of the Indian Union, from the likes of Tamil Nadu to West Bengal and some other states as well. And therefore, ahead of these state government elections, Prashant Bhushan's NGO, which has filed a plea earlier in the Supreme Court seeking for the court to intervene and really pass a judgment on the efficacy of electoral bonds, again came up for consideration today because several states are headed towards polls, and Prashant Bhushan's NGO again urged for the Supreme Court to intervene, to which we saw these rally of questions coming in from the Supreme Court to the central government, which was represented by the Attorney General. The solicitor was also present, where the Supreme Court wanted to understand about how the anonymity aspect of the electoral bonds is dealt with effectively, to which the Attorney General said that terrorism and related issues are issues in India which the country has been grappling with, and terrorism is not something which is funded by white money. Electoral bonds, the purpose was to eliminate black money. And then when the Chief Justice of India questioned the attorney as to how the attorney can be certain that there is no black money involved at all in electoral bonds, to which the Attorney General for the central government said that only check and demand drafts can be used for instruments of execution as far as electoral bonds are concerned. The solicitor also reminded the Supreme Court that KYC norms also have to be followed in the electoral bond scheme, subsequent to which the Supreme Court has reserved its orders on this issue. And like you rightly mentioned, importantly, the Election Commission has favored the electoral bonds, but at the same time, Election Commission has also called for greater transparency, and the Election Commission has also submitted in the Supreme Court today that otherwise the alternative would be that political donations could come in way of cash. So it is a complex issue, Afira, because of which the Supreme Court needs time, and we are expecting orders on this one very soon.
All right. Thanks, Meenakshi, and we'll keep coming back to you for further updates on this.